the 18th of December, International Migrants Day, all migrants are entitled to equal protection of all their human rights. On this International Day, I urge leaders and people everywhere to bring the Global Compact to life, so that migration works for all. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Let's understand who are migrants. A migrant is a person who makes a conscious choice to leave their country to seek a better life elsewhere. Before they decide to leave their country, migrants can seek information about their new home, study the language and explore employment opportunities. They are free to return home at any time if things don't work out as they had hoped, if they get homesick or if they wish to visit family members and friends left behind. As per the report, number of international migrants in 2019 is now estimated at 270 million. As per the report, India continued to be the largest country of origin of international migrants. It had the largest number of migrants living abroad, 17.5 million, followed by Mexico, 11.8 million, and China, 10.7 million. Most migrants come from India, the United States as the primary destination. As per the report, number of international migrants in 2019 is now estimated at 272 million and the top destination remains the US, at nearly 51 million. An estimated 52% are male, and nearly two-thirds of all migrants are looking for work, that's around 164 million people. Among other details in the new report, the high count of international migrants living abroad also makes India the leading recipient of remittances. The top three remittance recipients were India, $78.6 billion, China, $67.4 billion, and Mexico, $35.7 billion. The United States remained the top remittance sending country, $68 billion, followed by the United Arab Emirates, $44.4 billion, and Saudi Arabia, $36.1 billion. Thank you for watching Doodle Video Carter.